Lyon, Michigan. It's one of those places that kind of sneaks up on you. You don't really hear a ton about it unless you're from the area, but once you visit, you get it. There's something about the charming downtown, the rolling neighborhoods, and the friendly community feel that makes you go, yeah, this could be home. If you're considering a move to South Lyon, this is your full relocation guide. We're talking schools, housing, cost of living, jobs, things to do, the pros, the cons, and even the traffic that comes with all the new development popping up left and right. South Lyon is tucked away in the southwestern corner of Oakland County and is part of the greater Metro Detroit area while still giving off that quiet, small town charm. It's about 45 minutes from downtown Detroit and 30 minutes from Ann Arbor, making it a pretty ideal spot for commuters. Major highways like I-96 and US 23 are easily accessible, making regional travel pretty easy. It covers roughly 4 square miles, but don't let that number fool you. The city's boundaries might be pretty compact, but the surrounding Lyon Township and nearby communities essentially blend right in to it, expanding the practical footprint for housing and amenities alike. The current population is just over 12,000 people, and with all the new subdivisions and housing developments coming in, that number is climbing pretty quickly. If you drive around the outskirts, it's construction central right now. Great for the economy, yes, but if you thought traffic in a small town couldn't be a thing, South Lyon would like to have a word with you. Bottlenecks during school pickup and drop-off, weekend backups on 10 Mile Road, and roundabouts that some still haven't quite figured out yet, these are the new realities of a growing community. So let's talk schools. South Lyon Community Schools is the local district, and it has a solid reputation throughout the state. It serves over 8,300 students across several elementary, middle, and high schools, and it's known for a strong academic foundation, solid extracurricular activities, and competitive athletics too. The district consistently receives an overall A- from niche.com, and both South Lyon High School and South Lyon East High School are known for strong performance metrics and graduation rates well above the state average. If you're moving with kids, you'll be happy to know the community rallies behind its schools. Friday night football games are an event, and PTA participation is really strong. All right, now let's dive into housing. Taking a look at this graph as of March 2025, the median sale price in the entire MLS in blue sits at $265,000, while the median home price in South Lyon, which is in green, is hovering around $292,251, and that number has been on a steady rise for the past several years. A lot of this is due to new construction. Builders are capitalizing on the demand for suburban homes with modern features, and it's reflected in the pricing, to say the least. Expect to see large 2-story colonials with open floor plans, granite countertops, 3-car garages, and finished basements too. Many of these newer homes are part of HOA managed subdivisions, which include perks like clubhouses, swimming pools, playgrounds, and maintain walking trails too. Closer to downtown, you'll find more historic homes and ranch-style layouts, often with charming details like front porches and walkable access to downtown. There's also a growing condo and townhome market for buyers looking for lower maintenance or just a more affordable entry point. Rental inventory exists, but it definitely is a lot more limited, and average rents tend to hover around $1,800 to $2,500 a month for a 2 to 3 bedroom home. In terms of the cost of living, South Lyon is slightly above the Michigan average, but still well below the national urban centers. The biggest cost driver is housing. Other categories like utilities, groceries, and healthcare remain very reasonable in that sense. According to bestplaces.net, the overall cost of living index in South Lyon is about 105, with the national baseline being 100, of course. Property taxes in South Lyon have a millage rate of 42.3929. Granted, that's in the city of South Lyon itself. You can get a cheaper cost of living in a property tax sense if you are in Green Oak Township, Lyon Township, Milford Township, the city of Novi, Wixom, Northfield Township, and Salem Township, being as all those areas have sections to South Lyon schools. Water and sewer bills through the city are pretty stable, but as with most growing areas, usage can fluctuate based on the infrastructure needs too. South Lyon uses a millage-based funding model for services like schools, parks, and libraries, like I said, so it's good to keep an eye on the ballot proposals during election season, as they can slightly affect your tax burden, and this goes with anywhere around Michigan too. As far as employment and the economy go, South Lyon itself is largely residential, but its location opens the door to wide employment radius too. Many residents commute to Novi, Ann Arbor, Brighton, or even Metro Detroit, downtown Detroit. Top employment sectors for locals include healthcare, education, tech, and automotive. Nearby job hubs like the University of Michigan, Trinity Health, General Motors, and Ascension are all within driving distance too. Remote work is also pretty common with newer residents who were drawn here post-2020 for more space and a quieter lifestyle, as it is in a lot of areas throughout the country. Now let's talk about lifestyle. South Lyon might be small, but it's got some personality and plenty of ways to keep you busy year-round, really. The heart of it all is downtown South Lyon, where you'll find charming ice cream parlors, cozy coffee shops, and restaurants that locals really swear by. When it comes to dining, South Lyon offers a variety of options that satisfy diverse palates. For a contemporary American dining experience, Lion Grill stands out with its evolving menu and just quality ingredients. The South Lyon Hotel, an historic place established that was rebuilt after a fire in 2016, continues to be a community favorite, offering a blend of tradition and modern comfort. Due Vino. The bar provides a unique setting in a renovated historic building, serving contemporary Italian cuisine and specialty cocktails too. For casual dining, you have Lucas of South Lyon, offers a family-friendly atmosphere with a menu that caters to really anybody with specials. You have Aubrey's Pizzeria and Grill, known for its pizza and grill options, making it a good spot to go. If you're in the mood for Mexican cuisine, Cancun South Lyon delivers all those dishes and more with a margarita on top. These establishments contribute to the city's welcoming and diverse culinary scene, ensuring that the residents and visitors alike have plenty of choices to explore, and they're there. You just gotta look for them. The city knows how to celebrate too. One of the biggest events of the year is the Pumpkin Fest, a weekend-long fall festival complete with parades, live music, craft vendors, and a ton of family activities too. If you love that festival, small town energy, this one's it really is a can't miss. Then there's the cool Yule in December, where downtown transforms into like this winter wonderland with tree lightings, horse-drawn carriage rides, and a visit from Santa himself. It's like a scene out of a Hallmark movie minus an overly dramatic small-town romance subplot with it. During the warmer months, Park becomes the go-to hangout with its summer concerts in the Park series. You just got to bring a long chair, pack some snacks, and enjoy some local bands under the stars too. The Witch's Hat Depot Museum, right in the same park, also hosts Depot Day each fall, giving residents a chance to step back into the historical exhibits and see the live demos and the activities for kids too. Plus, with the nearby Kensington Metro Park and Island Lake recreation area, you've got miles of trails, swimming beaches, golf, and nature to explore too. The South Lyon Rail Trail connects all of this together too, and it's a favorite for joggers, bikers, and dog walkers who want really a quiet escape without leaving town. And if you're into cider mills and fall colors, Blake Farm South Lyon, what used to be Irwin's Orchards, is basically the local rite of passage every single fall. Of course, no place is perfect, so let's break down some quick pros and cons to consider too. Pros: South Lyon delivers on that small town feel with suburban perks combo. It's safe, crime rates are significantly lower than state and national averages. It's clean, with well-kept neighborhoods and engaged residents. The schools are strong, the homes are modern or charming, depending on where you're at, and the sense of community is real. You're far enough away from city chaos to enjoy some peace and quiet, but close enough to major cities for work, entertainment, and services. Cons: growth comes at a cost. As more people move in, the traffic grows, especially during peak hours. Roads like Pontiac Trail and 10 Mile can get surprisingly congested. Infrastructure has been trying to keep up, but some intersections are still lacking lights, turn lanes, or sidewalks. Longtime residents sometimes express concerns about the town losing its original charm with all the new development and chain businesses moving in, and While it's not as pricey as Birmingham or Northville, it's definitely no longer that budget-friendly option it once was. At the end of the day, South Lyon is it's a fantastic choice for people looking for a little bit of everything. A great community, access to outdoor recreation, high-performing schools, and proximity to larger job markets. It's still got the friendly, welcoming feel of a small town, but with the conveniences that make day-to-day living easy and enjoyable too. If you're someone who wants to put down some roots, have space to grow, and be a part of a community that's evolving in real time, South Lyon might just be the perfect fit for you. So what are your thoughts for people who are watching or have lived there or passed through there? What are your thoughts on South Lyon, Michigan? Drop them in the comments below. If you're thinking about moving to Michigan in one day or a million, feel free to reach out anytime. I also have a link to the Living in Michigan newsletter to give you insight on all things Michigan. So be sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching. Until next time.